Like you, I know what it's like serving faith communities facing significant change. Interims, consultants, coaches, denominational staff, settled clergy or lay leaders. We're on the front lines, helping faith communities manage change for healthy transitions and faithful transformations. Whether it's a change of clergy leaders, sustainability issues, or birthing new forms of faith community, this isn't easy work, but it's valuable, and it's best not done alone. That's why IMN hosts an annual conference for transitional leader practitioners, for all of us who care about leading through significant change to the new chapters into which God is calling us. This year's 3-day virtual annual conference, Renewed and Strengthened, does just that, with keynote presentations from organizational consultant Dr. Prie, practices and possibility sessions to explore best practices, workshops to add new tools to our toolbox, and social time to decompress with those who get just how challenging and valuable this work is. I hope you'll join me for IMN's 2024 virtual annual conference, October 29th through the 31st. Register today. Here's how.